Good one. Touch up.
Kenny Bayless is the third man in the ring. He's 58 years old. This is the third fight that he is working for Manny Pacquiao and the second for Ricky Hatton.
Now we saw the tail of the tape a while ago. So, sabi ng papel, mas matangkad daw yung isang Ricky Hatton. We see them on the ring right now. It doesn't seem like it's a very big disparity. But on paper is 5'7", si Pacquiao is 5'6". On paper, however, Pacquiao has a reach advantage, 2-inch reach advantage, 67 inches over 65. Hopefully that comes into play, and it will help his style, which we talked about a while ago. He will try to keep the distance from Ricky Hatton, and Ricky Hatton will try to negate that distance by going forward and bullying Manny Pacquiao.
And here we go with the familiar southpaw stance, ni Manny Pacquiao.
And always the pressure fighter, yan po si Ricky Hatton, always moving forward. Going to the body, and there you go. Nakayakap agad, hawak-hawak si Manny Pacquiao, gamit ang kaliwa at sumusuntok ng kanan. And connecting immediately is Manny Pacquiao with that right. Nagpakilala na si Manny Pacquiao kay Ricky Hatton.
Ricky Hatton showing the same style that he's used in all of his fights. He's just coming forward, not too much head movement, at least not yet. And look at him, the way he's throwing punches at Manny Pacquiao from close range.
Well, this is what you're talking about, Ricky Hatton. Ricky Hatton will go forward, try to throw those punches anytime, at any point in the fight. No? We're looking at him moving forward, trying to press the fight against Manny Pacquiao.
Very aggressive is Ricky Hatton.
Ricky Hatton all over Manny Pacquiao in this first round.
Nothing new from Ricky Hatton. This is what we expected him to be. And
Manny Pacquiao with the 1-2 combination, pumasok. And look at that clinch by Ricky Hatton. Hawak sa siko, hawak sa bato.
I think the right hand of Manny Pacquiao is going to play a very important role in this fight. That right hand has to keep pumping.
Grabe gigil ng dalawang fighters in this opening round. Manny Pacquiao just connected. Ricky Hatton is hanging on to dear life.
You know, style ni Hatton, he will clinch, he will hold on.
Pacquiao will have to fight from a distance. He has to negate the movement of Hatton moving forward to him.
Thinking niya, yes, using that right.
The right hand can be a jab, it can be a hold on.
Pacquiao with a 1-2 big combination.
A lot of punches. Scoring a knockdown very early.
If there's anybody questioning the punch power of Pacquiao at 140 pounds, he just showed it. There is power in those hands. Right hand pa lang yung mga kaibigan.
And Ricky Hatton now does not know where he is. Ricky Hatton now with a bloody nose.
Pacquiao is going for the kill.
Ricky Hatton hit again by Pacquiao on the right. And Ricky Hatton has to clinch and hold on to their life.
There is no 3 knockdown rule in this fight. So Hatton can keep on going down. And the fight will not be stopped until the referee thinks he's had enough. Hatton jumps twice.
And Hatton saved by the bell. And what a devastating first round.